So the truth is, there's honestly no better time to make more money than now. There are actually so many side hustles out there, tens and hundreds, that people have tried, tested, and succeeded at. People have made a lot of money from every single side hustle you can imagine. So they're literally barbers, content creators, traders, people that sweep the floor, that have made tens and hundreds and thousands of dollars every single month from just doing whatsoever business that they have. So this literally proves that every single business can work. It just depends on who you are. And another undeniable fact is that every single business has its weaknesses and its strengths, and these do not exactly suit every single person. So when we ask the question of what is the number one business out there that works for most people, then there are a few traits, or there are a few things about these businesses that we have to look for. For example, dropshipping is a business that is very, very popular at the moment, and we can all agree that so many people have become financially free from dropshipping. Everyone's mums and dads knows about dropshipping. It's a business formula that is very, very simple to do to some extent, but we know that it also costs some money because you need money to actually get some audience. So although money can be made, it's just something that doesn't work for every single person. So again, it all comes down to what business can work for the majority. And just stick with me here because I will be answering this question shortly. So when we think of the best business that every single beginner can try, we can agree that it has to be something that is relatively affordable, something that's very easy to understand, something that is scalable so a lot of money can be made in the future, and it has to be a business that has withstood the test of time. Because if it doesn't fall into any of these categories, then it just simply means not a lot of people can start it. For example, the car business is very, very lucrative, but you need a ridiculous amount of money to literally get into the car business. So yes, it's something that a lot of people might aspire to be, but it's not going to be a business that most people are going to actually accomplish. Look, Shopify dropshipping has become incredibly popular since TikTok release. It just continues to blow up and more people are trying it. Now, this isn't bad. There is still a lot of room. It's not actually overly saturated because there's still a ton of money to make in this market. The downside to dropshipping is that a lot of people do not want to spend money, do not want to spend time to run ads. Ads is literally what's going to make you as much money as possible. And sadly, money is also going to make you as much money as possible, because those who have a lot of money to spend are the ones making a ton of money in the first place. If you don't, then sadly, dropshipping is a bit sticky. Now that is why people have tried to find another alternative to Shopify dropshipping that is still within the dropshipping niche but can make you a ton of money without actually having to spend money and time on TikTok ads or Facebook ads. And this is known as eBay dropshipping. There is so much room in this business because many people still do not know about it. There is so much potential, there's so much people that can still get involved in this business to make a lot of money. Many 16-year-olds, 17, 18-year-olds are making so much money from this that people are not actually aware of this. And I'm still part of the little fish in this business because there are people who are making 800k a year. I'm not even kidding, I'm being completely serious. People are making 800k a year in revenue from this business. So there is such a ridiculous amount of money that can be made from this. When I initially started, I was able to make a sale within the first 48 hours, and after trying this again, I made a sale within the first 24 hours. And I've tried this over and over again as a beginner just to see how quick I can make sales, and people that have actually told about this have been able to make sales within the first 48 hours. So doesn't this just prove that there is money to be made in this world? You don't actually have to work or go out to work anymore. That's the generation that we are in, and people need to take advantage of this. So eBay dropshipping is a simple business. The idea is you use the traffic from eBay because eBay runs their own ads. They get people to buy things on their own website anyway. You just have to be a seller on eBay, but you dropship on eBay. So people are going to buy your products, you make money, and that is it. You just get the products that you're selling from Amazon, you list them on your eBay website, and once people order these products, you buy it from Amazon, you ship it directly to them, you get your profit, eBay gets their money, Amazon gets their money, everybody wins, everybody's happy. And what makes this good in comparison to something like Shopify dropshipping is that this order will get to the customer literally between 2 to 7 days, because you're not ordering from somewhere like AliExpress or one other supplier that you're not really sure of. So you actually know that the customer will get this product very, very quick. And to top this up, the only things required for this is literally just an eBay account, an Amazon account, and the software to manage the stock and the price and everything else. Amazon has been hammering down on people like myself who are actually using Amazon Prime to ship things to customers, but other eBay dropshippers have actually found a loophole again to actually reduce the cost of this entire business module, which makes it even more accessible to many people. So now you don't even need Amazon Prime to actually do this anymore. If you're selling items that are actually $20 and upwards, then you don't need Amazon Prime. You still get free delivery. So technically all you need now is just an eBay account and a software to help you to manage when the stock changes or the price changes on Amazon. So that means it's going to be changed on your eBay account as well. To actually start this today, all you require is just $1. If you choose to actually use the software that I use, and you can actually do this for the first month for just a single dollar. So look, the sad truth is 99% of people are not going to take a single action after watching this video. But for the 1% of people who want to find out more, then be sure to click on this video so you can see exactly how I was able to find my products and make a sale within the first hour of trying out eBay dropshipping.